Congratulations for your
Thank you.
success.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Like whenever someone is getting 79, we're very happy because last couple of years, till 2019, people are very aggressive to get 79. But after 2020 for COVID and because of the limitation of 189 visa, people are not that much aggressive to get 189. But this week we got three, 79 plus. We're happy that people are getting.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, that's great.
Yes. So I will be asking you some questions and you just share your honest opinion the way you think. Okay.
Yeah.
My first question is why you choose PT? Like, what's the reason behind this?
So 3 years back, I remember like first time I wanted to do PT, I had no idea how to do it. So one of my friends recommended it. So I joined 2 or 3 weeks classes, and then I realized that it is pretty good because you guys were providing me laptops and all the equipments, and you guys were very patient. Even if I'm asking so many questions, you guys were always ready to answer. Like it doesn't matter like, what is the time until unless it's late night, obviously. But yeah, that's what I like. And last time as well, like I think I lagged behind with only 5 or 4 marks, but yeah. And this
Probably
is my second
you
time I
missed
gave
in
up
the
the
writing
failure.
section. We had a discussion over the phone, and you told me that you missed in the writing section.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this time, like, what are the things you have done? Like, you told that you didn't practice that much, but definitely you practiced. Otherwise, that's not possible. So this time, actually, what you did for your improvement of the writing?
Yeah. So I remember like while I was like, it's not like I didn't practice at all. I was practicing essay like once or twice, and once I was doing it, and I just gave me 10 score out of 19. So I was just thinking like, why did it give me 10? I was figuring out that I didn't put much ideas in it, which was related to the essay. So in the next time, what I did, I gave time to think about ideas and put them grammatically correct. And I made sure that I'm doing like reading again and again, even if I'm 2 minutes. I was utilizing all the minutes so that if there is any commas mistake or any punctuation or anything which I can find out, I'll just clear it out. Because I remember you saying that spelling mistake can straight away goes like 2 marks, and then that can affect a lot.
Yeah, definitely. Because most of the people don't realize the importance of the spelling, but later they realize that, okay, because of the silly mistakes, they might get less score in the PT writing and mostly the writing and listening. But I saw that you have done better in the listening and writing as well. Now, my question is, some students are facing difficulties because they're working full time. On top of that, they think that they are not improving better in the daily practice session. What will be your advices for those people who he's doing full-time job and their exam is very close and they want to do better? Now, what will be your top 2 or 3 suggestions to those people from your own experience?
Yeah, look, I'm also full-time. I was doing full-time job. I remember like 2 weeks before I was starting having a chat with you, and I had problems like attending face-to-face trainings. I was so much concerned, like, how do I do it? But then you gave me the option that trainings are available online as well. So I made sure just a day or 2 days before that I should complete all those online lectures and videos so that I can get just like how to do the things, what are the tricks we should be using. And I was having like notebook and pencil. So the tricks which I was not understanding, I was like repeating it again and again. So just to understand the trick, that's what it takes time. And later, even if you're doing practice, it doesn't matter like you're doing too much practice. Unless you don't understand it, there's no point of practicing at all. That's what I believe. So that's what I was making sure that even if I'm practicing, even if I'm making mistake, I was like listening. It's such a good tool that it tells you that where you lag behind. So I was like searching like why this word is not coming. Like for example, repeat sentence, why the word is not coming, even though I was saying it. The same thing was happening with the short answer questions as well. I was telling like sometimes I was saying three words answer, but it was just saying not recognized. So that's what I gave more focused.
Okay. So one thing, like 3 years back, we didn't introduce the learning portal. This time we introduced the learning portal so that you can watch the recorded videos whenever you want, apart from the live classes. So I think like you have seen that the way we have a structure that is Moodle, like speaking under all classes, reading after all classes. Do you think this kind of organized learning portal can help people, those who are full-time
workers? Definitely. Because full-time workers, because the thing is like if you're doing face-to-face classes, you have to match the timetable to your tutor's timetable. It's very hard to manage it. So that's when it helps you, because even if you're doing a morning job or evening, if you're free, you can spend your time in watching all those videos and lectures. It's your own time of studying. And then if you're getting any doubts, Telegram is always available. Mr. Obi and you are always available. Just ask questions and you guys are always ready to help. I remember like I was having trouble in doing spoken text.
Summarize spoken text.
Summarize spoken text. I was having a really hard time, like how to do it. Could you please tell me the template, like how do we do it? Written text class, you just come back again. But he helped me out. So that's what I feel like.
I know that, it's in Australia, time is money, mate. We know that you have certain problems and we have to fix it as soon as possible. So we care. And that's the reason, most of the students actually give a positive review on our Facebook and Google, that we don't think about too much. Rather, what is the problem students are facing? We try to jump into the discussion so that we can help. Now, Vivek, you know that it's a PTE coaching and mostly our students are coming from word of mouth. Definitely in future, there'll be some colleagues of you or your friends will be coming. Would you like to recommend why?
I mean, like already I have recommended so many students.
Oh, thank you very much. It actually helps us, to do better. I hope that all the issues regarding the PT, whatever you have taken PT for your visa issues or study purposes, everything will be solved as soon as possible. And I wish you all the best. And thank you very much for joining in today with me so that you can share some of the thoughts and your suggestions to those students. Yeah. So any one sentences about those people who are sitting for the exam next week or next month, what would you like to share your own suggestions or recommendation, any wish?
I would say don't afraid from test, have some confidence, trust yourself and follow your first instinct. Your first instinct is always right.
Oh, great. Are you talking about reorder paragraph?
Yes, one of them as well.
Okay, thank you, Vivek. Thank you.
More. Yeah, thanks a lot.
The more you think, the more you get puzzled.
The more
Thank you. Thank you very much. All the best.
Bye-bye.
All the best.